Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and today in this video I'm answering the question of how you can get your husband to choose you over masturbation. Yes. Are you new to my channel? Hit the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Don't forget to follow my handles that I'm leaving in the description below. And to purchase any of our products, go to noraarake.com/shop. For a one-on-one counseling session, go to noraarake.com/booking. Yes. So without further ado, let's get into the video. It's important to know that masturbation has destroyed many marriages as of today. Masturbation has the power to destroy your sexual happiness in marriage. Many women today are having not to compete with side chicks, but to compete with masturbation. Their husbands have taken to masturbation. They do it every day, every time. And they leave their women wanting, sexually starving, and not getting enough or nothing at all. Remember, masturbation is demonic because it's against the sexual laws. It's against the natural laws of sex and marriage. It is easier to stop having sex with your wife than to stop masturbation, because you always have your fingers that you use to masturbate. You can always move with your toys that you use to masturbate, and you can always move with your tools for masturbation. This makes it easily accessible anytime, any day. The more you masturbate, the more it dispels you from enjoying sex, from your fellow human, from your wife. It milks the desire to enjoy sexual bliss with your partner. There is no sex position or style or amount of sex you can give to a female masturbator that will be enough for her until she masturbates. So, in this video, we are going to look at how to get your partner to choose you over masturbation. How do you get your partner to choose you instead of choosing masturbation? This is what we are looking at in this video. For a woman, masturbation will always be enjoyable for her. She will never find the penis desirable. She will never find her husband's penis desirable. She will never enjoy sex with it. And for a man, he will never enjoy sex with the wife's V. He will always want his hands or the toys he uses to masturbate. It is important to know that for masturbation to stop, you need deliverance from God. If you have a partner who is a masturbator, talk to them. Don't use force on them, because what they will do, they will start to do it secretively and you won't be able to find out what they are doing. So, do not use force on them. Talk to them nicely about the dangers, about what they are doing to themselves and what they are doing to the marriage. If possible, as a couple, discuss your fantasies together. It's better to give pleasure to yourselves. Give pleasure to yourself in a way, in the things you are thinking during masturbation. Discuss them with your partner. Let your partner do just that. Give your partner multiple orgasms, which will help her to stay off masturbation. If it's your wife, create more time for her. Give her more time for foreplay. Help her to stop masturbation. Don't ever think or lie to yourself that she can do it alone. She can't. Help her to stop. If it's your man, help him to stop. He can't do it alone. Like I said, masturbation is a demon. It's hard to detach. You need determination, sheer will to do it, and you need God's deliverance to stop masturbation. In men who are used to masturbation, time comes and they start to get a weak erection because of the too much strength they use on their penis, which weakens their penile muscles. So time comes when mentally they don't even erect around their wives. They leave their wives starving and wanting. Most of these wives even end up cheating on their husbands. Not because they want to, but because they are burning with desire for sex that they are not getting from their husbands. Masturbation in men leads to all forms of weakness. Sometimes the penis weakens immediately they are entering the V, or even before. Sometimes when they are making love to their women, they do not ejaculate. They feel they are not getting to that cloud that they are used to getting with masturbation. Masturbation is a marriage killer. It's a big marriage killer. Most women don't tolerate. If you are someone who masturbates, you seriously need help. You need help mentally, emotionally, physically, sexually, and spiritually. Masturbation is a serious problem in marriage. It has killed many marriages. Some women are just quiet. Some men are just quiet. They are used to getting no. Red flags from the woman. I don't want. I am tired. I have pains. Excuses after excuses. The man will say, I'm tired. I came late. I'm hungry. I feel sick. All sorts of excuses just not to engage in sexual act with their wives, with their partners, with their husbands. Time comes and your partner gets tired of waiting. They think you are cheating on them, yet you are masturbating. Talk about it. It is very hard to talk about this with your partner, but it's the first step to recovery. Trust me. Your partner won't help you if they don't know your problem. I'm always telling you that, people. Your partner won't leave you because you've told them you have such a problem. They will understand. It's better than leaving your partner second guessing whether you masturbate or not. I've seen men who tell me before I enter my home, I have to masturbate first. Before I sleep, I wait for my woman to sleep, dash in the toilet or in the bathroom and masturbate first. I have to hide maybe in the kitchen or in the children's toilet and masturbate. I have to pretend that I'm doing something outside and I masturbate. Why? You can address this. Talk to your wife. Talk to us. You can book your online counseling session or your one-on-one at norarake.com/booking. We are here to help you. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you've liked it. Give it a thumbs up, share it. Don't forget to follow my social media handles. I'm leaving them down in the description box. Also leave me a comment in the comments section. What do you think about masturbation? Thank you so much. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.